I am an ethnic Uyghur, a mother, a daughter, a sister, and a wife. I used to be just like any ordinary woman, taking care of my family, going to work, visiting friends, going on vacations, and immersing myself in my hobbies of reading, crafting, and cooking. However, from what seems like forced out of my control, I was compelled to take on the role of a full-time activist and an advocate for the Uyghur, Kazakh, and the other Turkic people. This is because the Chinese government is holding over 3 million innocent Turkic Muslims in concentration camps and forced labor facilities, treating them like animals. Their crime? Being ethnic Uyghurs and calling their god Allah. The Chinese Communist Party has abducted both mine and my husband's family. My sister, Dr. Gulshan Abbas, and my aunt were abducted in East Turkistan 6 days after my panel discussion at the Hudson Institute, where I spoke about China's racially targeted genocide against the Uyghurs and the truth about the concentration camps they have euphemistically been referring to as vocational training centers. My sister and aunt were abducted in retaliation to mine and my brother Rishat Abbas's advocacy work here in America. As an American citizen, it has been more than 20 months since we have received any information on my sister's whereabouts. That's 600 days. 600 days of not knowing whether my dear older sister is healthy or even alive. China uses scare tactics and threatens all that you hold dear in order to silence you. They threaten your reputation, your family, and your life. And when you try to expose the truth, they publicly brand you a liar and an extremist. Since the stay-at-home order has been issued as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, a pandemic caused by the CCP's totalitarian manipulations, I have not only been doubling but tripling my efforts to fight this. China is committing grave crimes against humanity. They have targeted Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Uzbeks, and the others under the guise of fighting Islamic extremism. My team and I have been working to raise awareness on social media to expose China's disinformation and the veracity of the government's genocide. In the past 20 months, since my sister's abduction, I haven't taken a single day off. I haven't gone on any vacations, and my social life is virtually non-existent. As many of you, I wish to have a happy and enjoyable life, doing things for myself that brings me joy. However, right now, I only have one purpose in life, that is exposing China for what it truly is. A bloodthirsty and a money-hungry government beast. I will continue to advocate and give everything I have to the cause until China is held accountable for the crimes committed against my people. China must face the consequences for their actions. We must all stand together and work to dismantle this despotic and tyrannical government. It is our duty as humans to be the voices for those voiceless and defend the rights of innocent people. We cannot let this be another never again moment.